in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad. The DNA matching and sampling is going on, and the weight of the families in agony goes on. Remember, Maria, that DNA testing and sampling can take up to 72 hours. It is a technical process. It's also a legal process, but 47 bodies have been handed over to families is what we understand. Aishwarya, my colleague, joins us with more details on this. Aishwarya, how has the process been expedited? Because the Home Minister had assured everybody that the process will be done in 3 to 4 days, but clearly there is a lot to this process because the bodies have been completely charred, and there is a legal aspect to it, there's a technical aspect to this. What is the latest on the DNA sampling there? Okay, officials on Sunday have said that samples of 92 victims of Ahmedabad plane crash have matched with relatives so far, and 47 mortal remains have been handed over to families. Families of the crash victims continue to throng outside civil hospitals' mortuary as authorities carry out DNA tests. Well, many stories there at the front of this human tragedy. A doctor from Gujarat cannot stop thanking his wife and family members after he cancelled an Air India flight in which he planned to fly to London on the 12th of June. But remember, at the front of this colossal human tragedy are the lives of people and, of course, the lives of relatives who have to bear the loss of their loved ones. Officials have said that 92 victims samples of 92 victims have been handed over to their, have been matched, and 47 mortal remains have been handed over to their families. DNA testing and sampling could take up to 72 hours, and there is often retesting that happens, with the challenge being that many of these bodies are completely charred. So the doctors and experts and FSL officials, the forensic science laboratories experts, are have to ensure that the accurate matching of DNA samples take place, which is why relatives are waiting outside the civil hospital in Ahmedabad. Aishwarya joins us with more details on this. Aishwarya, tell us the latest update in the case of DNA sampling and testing.
Well, the latest that we are picking up from the official, sources within the civil hospital here in Ahmedabad is 92 bodies had been identified after the DNA sampling had been has been matched, and almost 47 of the bodies had been handed over. 13 relatives had also been called, and their mortal remains would be also handed over in next few hours, including of former Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. And where I'm standing currently is the location where all the preparations are being done. There would be an absolute state honor that would be given to former Chief Minister of Gujarat. This is mortuary complex, and there you can see the special guards from the Gujarat police standing for receiving any information from the senior officials, as Health Minister Vijay Rupani, Health Minister Hrishikesh Patel, and others, including the senior cabinet ministers from the state of Gujarat, had already arrived over here, and soon the family members of Mr. Rupani would be also arriving here at the mortuary complex of the civil hospital, from where the mortal remains of Mr. Rupani would be handed over to them and directly will be taken to the Ahmedabad airport. But special arrangements and a guard of honor that will also be given to Vijay Rupani here at the civil hospital itself when the body will be handed over to the relatives. And there are these ambulances and senior officials who are on standby. We are anticipating that it is Chief Minister Mr. Bhupendra Patel and the Home Minister of the Gujarat state would also be accompanying the family of Mr. Vijay Rupani as they leave from Gandhinagar, and they will arrive over here. Certainly 11 a.m. is the time that we have been told that the mortal remains will be given, and then they would be heading towards Ahmedabad airport. But as far as the latest details, the latest data that had been released by the civil hospital authorities over here, so far more than 90 DNA profilings had been matched, and today it has been expected that more than 30 more dead bodies would be given, apart from what had been done so far. 47 bodies had been handed so far, and 3 foreign national bodies have also been identified, and their relatives are here waiting for the phone call to be made by the civil hospital authorities to them to hand over their mortal remains of their loved ones.